Box cover, this is duttyberry and welcome to a brand new top 10 social media countdown. And oh, by the way, happy independence! Woo! Number 10, be Weir. My word, my sentence, my paragraph. So as you know, Olympic silver medalist Weir recently got, pulled over by some police officers. And trust me people, it was quite an event.
I asked for no for my ID. Drive a nice car and I'm going away a bit. Think yourself.
So Weir, proceeded to record the entire scenario and go on Instagram live with it, and the police did a record as well.
No, so you're yet to ask for identification. You realize that? You do realize that, though?
Sir,
You do realize that?
our operational standards.
Oh, no, I'm saying to you.
Vehicle,
Because them things are the whole of we are wanted, man, and them things there. I know him ask for your ID, so him know, if for me wanted, I never know that.
In the initial part, the police officer never heard no said it was the Warren Weir, the hot lead, the public figure Warren Weir, and right as in the cutting documents and see it, he had proceeded to kind of milk the situation.
look at this person properly. Is this the Warren Weir who represents Jamaica?
What are you trying to say? What me now?
Are you the person, sir?
And?
Are you the athlete Warren Weir?
And what?
Are you that person,
I'm Warren
sir?
Weir,
The
Jamaica.
ambassador of Jamaica?
I'm Warren Weir, Jamaican.
My God of heaven.
Crazy by you, so. You go on, favor either.
And I'm not gonna lie, Weir might not have been, behaving in the most mature manner.
I ain't go to jail like Meek Mill, bro. Yeah. I ain't go to jail. Boo gang. Boo nigga get you.
Since the video had come out, people started to put Warren Weir in the same category as like a Mr. Vegas, as social media tete. But me don't really have to say people. All I know is that he had put it out an apology, and I am very grateful to that. This is what the apology reads. After careful consideration over the last few days and numerous discussion with my family and friends, along with analyzing the feedback of many on social media, I would like to apologize for my reaction to being stopped by members of the Jamaica Constabulary for a routine search recently. This is a crystal tablet Sabine apology, where says either the family, the girlfriend, somebody pull him one side and really give it to him rough, and him come to a change of heart. But let me know what you thought about Warren Weir's reaction to the police doing a routine search. Comments below. Number 9, Sumfest moments. So I was at Reggae Sumfest last month, and like people in Shell. I enjoyed my time there. While I was there, I was staying at Deja Resort, so we'll talk about them hard later. And I was there for the entire week, media accreditation and beer things. So first up, one of the Sumfest moments that was a highlight was just seeing Spice on stage with the fireman, the man there breathe the fire through his mouth with the water and beer kind of something, the underwater, under fire sitting. That did Shell pray. Also, but they go at the street dance, and there was this dancehall queen named Dancehall Queen Carlo. And people, oh my god, me never saw something like this. Oh yes, as for somebody else stay at Deja, and one of the waitresses there, her name was Rihanna, and me and her kind of turned friend, and like customer service stood up, she was really nice and really charming. And so as before I left, I decided I'm going to fix her up one nice little homemade present. Pretty.
I know that you asked for like a gift, and so we came up with something, and here it is. Come forward and come get your reaction. Just a little token of our appreciation. What do you have to say?
Thank you, I guess.
You can post and talk about it all over and show people.
But I appreciate it though.
So how you feel?
It could have been better. Lord.
Number 8, goat robbery. Me gungo peas. So I have hardly never seen something like this in my entire life. Me know so Jamaican people full up well, me don't really want to say this, but we have little one and two, thief and robbers, on the streets, politics, them they all over the place in Jamaica. But you see in a farming, them there enough. They have resided, enough them encamped around the fields of Jamaica. Plenty. So this video surfaced on Facebook with the police, them pull over one car. And boy, people, if I see the heap of curry you get from goat? A curry you get from goat?
I'm not there. Oh no, the one I did, No! One I did. What's your drink?
Me not have nothing to say more than meh. Like how the Backsput them manage to stuff so much goat in a one car. About 2 months worth of Sunday dinner this, you know? Jesus people, let me know what you have to say, burritos, comments below. And now check out the random video of the week.
Under fire, the thing under fire. You don't know your girl Spice and you're watching Duttyberry social media countdown. Keep it locked now. Spice said that.
Number 7, Popcaan rejected.
If I want thing, me hate a fern killer.
So dancehall artist Popcaan recently, you know, says Sumfest, in performance Sumfest and all of these things. But before that, the man did make reservations at Half Moon in a Montego Bay. So he make him reservation, pay a fee, you know, half credit card and all of these things, everything kind of set. But when he showed up to Half Moon not reject him. And so Popcaan put out this video on social media, basically a down and a cuss off the whole of Half Moon.
Half Moon, Uno, collect my money off of my US card for book villa. You see me? No, me book villa and pull up a villa and I tell people say them not for let in Popcaan and all I want to know Popcaan. Anybody will tell them say don't let me in, manager or garage go mother. You hear? Last party your mama go me not for forward over no stinking villa cause it not even clean. All us them don't have. Them dead. Clot.
But apparently we never really hard get the full story. And Half Moon make a little statement where basically hard just like, you know, shed a different light on the whole scenario. What Half Moon has said is that Popcaan, yes, him they reserved the room, but the room was supposed to accommodate, and the villa was supposed to accommodate must say a maximum of like 15 people. And when Popcaan showed up there, must have over 40 man him show up with to Half Moon at the Hard Villa. But Popcaan, me know you sing one song saying I really par with, but me know the entourage something that you have to kind of walk with your army, cause you know anything when you perform a stage show. What you have to say down burritos, comments below. Number 6, baptisms galore. So again, the Philips Miss Jamaica, Universe Miss Jamaica, World, all of these things, host television personality, recently got baptized. Yes, people, he never hired in Jamaica. Look like one of them like a fine church. So she got baptized into her pool. Do not judge it, leave her alone. And I would just have to say congratulations, it's an awesome moment.
I'm just so grateful. Like, I still, up to this morning, I was on my knees and I just questioned. I don't even understand what I did to deserve God to be so good to me. And I'm just so grateful and I'm just humbled by His goodness and the
Spirit. Buried with Christ in His death. Praise to walk in a new
A songbird Alain as well got baptized, and so it seems to be a little movement of one in the way you call it in the secular circle. So you have an idea who you think might get baptized next? Comments below. And now it is time for the big up segment. I know you may have to big up this brand new artist named Stylo with a single called Mobe. Trust me people, this is a summer anthem. If you want to feel good, if you want to party, if you want to groove, if you want to just floss, you know, like a dream weekend time now, so you want to floss and feel good and just like, you know, hype and all of these things, whether on your cruise, your boat ride, whatever you are call it, this is a song for you, called Mobe.
We are work from 9 to 5, from 8 to 2, that's all we do. And a Friday night and my bills not due. What you think we are go do? From a party we gone. Which party dog? We gone. Which party dog? We gone. Which party dog? Mobile we a go, dance we party on. Me no come out for what.
So if you want more information from the artist, you can follow him on social media. I'm going to put the link to the music video down below so you can click it and check it out. Oh. Number 5, budget life. So you know the thing I like about ghetto people is that them don't need to have one bag of resources, them don't need to have a bag of money to enjoy life and to be comfortable and just satisfied. I said this, brother, is the definition of poor and bossy, and that is exactly how more people must live into 2018.
All of my diamonds are VVS. I'm a friend of the signatures. VVS, please, serious.
Number 4, LC and Weezy. And you see this little girl, when named LC, she is our star. I don't know what she going to do with her side life, but me just know so this girl going to be a public figure. Something in education, something in the media, she just going to be a celebrity. That's all I know. So, you know, she's around the table, you know, she and her younger brother Weezy, and they talk about Lion King.
when Scar used Simba as bait so he used Simba to kill Mufasa and then banded Simba, and then he met Timon and Pumbaa, and after years, they're his friends.
Yeah, but who are they? Are they lions, hyenas, or what?
No, it's a warthog and a meerkat.
Oh.
And so, warthogs aren't pigs.
Well, no, Weezy could deal with them big sister, you know. But honestly, do not know. Poor Weezy. Weezy is like me and the most away. Weezy just said, but it's a pig. It's a pig. It look like to me too. But no, Elsie is like, warthogs are pigs. Like, duh.
He was a young warthog. When I was a young warthog.
So as I was telling you, this year my little Sumfest journey was a little bit more turned up than last year because I get my accommodation sponsor courtesy of Deja Resort in Montego Bay, and I had a great time. I enjoyed it, so I want to share what the Deja experience is like with you, the burritos. Check it out.
Alright, so I'm here at Montego Bay on the hip strip, and I'm here one of my favorite places to stay. It's Deja Resorts. Cause they might take care of me for the entire week of Sumfest 2018. So let me show you what Deja life is all about. Follow her back of me. Oh gosh.
Hey, Mr. Bear, what's up, man?
Everything is good. Big up yourself, Richard. Jesus Christ.
Hi everybody. Hola.
This is Chocolate, people. One of the nicest girl them down here. So what's your position up here?
Entertainment supervisor. So I'm in charge of all of the craziness, the funness, little, but we tell her. So we are going down to Deja, yeah? So we'll take up on a little tour.
Where we are go first?
Check your bar.
Okay, let's go to the bar. So Alright, so Chocolate, where we are go after this?
Alright, we're going to dining room, but before we go to the dining room, just let everybody know. We're little as we say, but we tell her every night we have entertainment. Sunday night we have a games night, so it's like a family night, because it's a family resort.
Yeah.
Monday night we do a in it to win it, so it's like an actual game show where you get a minute to do some games. Tuesday night we come out, we go to Soul and we go on with a bag of things. We have our reggae street party, so we have a live reggae band, or live steel band, live everything. We just go on out to some Jamaican food. Wednesday night we do bingo.
Nice.
So we give it free things for Wednesday. Thursday night we do a live karaoke night, so we have everything set up for karaoke and people come sing in the bar and go on crazy. Friday night we do another game show, which is Battle of the Sexes. So the ladies compete against the gents. And then now, Saturday night we have a live reggae band. So every night we provide entertainment, so you can't get bored of Deja unless you don't meet Chocolate. Yeah, I like that.
But one thing I always hear about Deja, people always talk about like the Deja food. Like, we're really going into the kitchen around there, so and why I want to try to make sure say there's so much emphasis and value placed on the food here at Deja.
Well, Deja's a very nice place.
Yeah.
We have Jamaican food.
Yes.
And through the night we have a Jamaican night where we have our steel band.
Yes.
You get sugar cane, coconut water, Jamaican food like
I can have your jerk chicken.
Jerk chicken, oxtail, curry goat, rice and peas festival, what kind of Jamaican food?
But just love the food up here.
Pudding, bread pudding, gizzard.
You go around this and cook sometime? You can cook?
Course. Yeah, my
Marie, you can cook?
I can.
What's your favorite thing for cook?
I can saltfish.
Okay, and dumpling and
fried
banana.
dumpling.
Me and you can't
Fried
friend, Marie.
dumpling.
Me and you can't friend. Thank you.
Open the drink from the bar?
No, I just drink a while ago. I'm kind of tipsy right now. Some of the thing I can't manage. But me just like enjoy this food. And I don't know why. I'm going to just pretend as if I this I normally eat. When I come to Deja, the whole of this normally full up. There's no surface area upon the plate. But because I'm on video, I'm going to just pretend as if, me I watch my weight. Alright, so Marie, don't tell nobody. Alright. Oh, thank you. Oh, hey.
Hi.
What's your name?
Shaloy.
Shaloy, I like the name, the nice. So inside here so is the spa, right?
Yes, SK to XL Day Spa.
Oh, nice.
Yes, so we do facials as well. So we have.
Go in here, feel good.
Yes, definitely, and smells good as well.
Yes, smell good, feel good.
Yeah, Yeah, so we do couples treatment and we do singles. So you can come with your friends or you can come with your girlfriend.
Hello guys, welcome to the Kids Club.
Hey, okay, alright, so I might like to space this, for youngsters like me.
No, it's from 0 to 12.
Oh, okay, but that's a little bit.
So this is where all the activity happens. We do face painting, line dancing for kids.
Yeah.
Of course, we do puppetry and all that good stuff.
Follow back on me, no man. Ah. Yes! Can't finally get my rest. Chocolate, where are you? Thank you so much for the tour. I enjoy it.
I'm tired, but yeah.
Yeah, it was quite one tour, but
nice,
I think after this, I'm going to just either go to the pool or I can go over Doctor's Cave Beach and enjoy my little time for a bit.
So I can't go and chill in my room.
No, you can't. It definitely cannot happen.
It can't. AC, time hot.
It cannot happen. Here's the more for tell the people tell Jamaica why, you should come and stay at Deja.
Cause chocolate at Deja? Oh no, never really that. Well, Deja is a Jamaican resort, so we try to give you authentic Jamaican style. So you come on down, we have Jamaican rates, we have group rates, everything. You can carry the entire family and just come down and have a nice time. And we're right across from the beach, close to the airport. We're just in the middle of everything, alright? So make sure you're down here.
Couldn't have said it better. I have to say one thing I love about here is that if you in your pocket now feel like you're not gonna broke your budget. Yeah. It is very pocket friendly and you get nice quality service and the customer service up here, it turn up, it's shell. And I'm gonna talk about the food. The place is nice and cozy and basically Deja Resort is like a home away from home. So from the staff here just to like the service and just the cuisine, everything just make you feel like you're there, your grandmother and enjoy some nice good cooked meal and you just feel like you just want to stay here and live.
The pocket friendly resort.
Yes, no, but it's true. And everybody wants to spend on something there, but you want the nice treatment same way. And Deja, make sure to them offer you that. So come on out if you want to check them out. Them on Instagram, it is at Deja Resort. And I'm going to put the information down here, the address and everything. So yeah, forward, duttyberry.
Yeah, that's basically it. Big up Chocolate, big up Rihanna, big up the whole Deja staff. I'm going to put the information right here. So the next time that you plan on visiting Montego Bay, say Deja Resort must be one of the first stop them on your list. Alright? Number 3, Officer Yadi. Me po. One thing we really like with people who appreciate the Jamaican culture is the fact that them take time and energy for really know certain things about the country.
Wagwan.
You there? You good?
I'm from Kingston.
You are?
Yep.
Where in Kingston?
St. Mary.
Where in St. Mary?
St. Elizabeth.
Where in St. Elizabeth?
Manchester.
Who is the Prime Minister?
Me.
Who is the most famous Jamaican?
Oxtail.
Me kinda expect him for kinda say Usain Bolt or Bob Marley when them say like the most, important person or the biggest star come out of Jamaica, but yeah, kinda feel it one day. But him get a little marks for Oxtail. Number 2, mind your what? My word, my sentence, my paragraph, my essay, my biblioteca. So recently this video blew up all over the place. It just got viral. It's international, it global, it probably reached a space right about now. It was actually on the Shade Room too. So this girl, I think she's a student of Holy Childhood High School, and this video with her singing this, me never know, me never hear this song yet, but it sounds like a church song.
All of my business belongs to me. All of my business belongs to me.
Somebody
say come on now, church. Mind your business. Mind your business. Tell all your friends. Mind your business. Tell your co-workers tomorrow. Mind your business.
That truth. The song low-key shot. The song low-key can go voice and go studio now and she can take with Glacier Robin some money. No, I can't say that a gospel artist. Everybody feel live loving. Very warm team, man. Jesus crime. But you see for my business on YouTube, me have to kind of do the song a little bit differently.
All of your business belongs to we. All of your business belongs to we. On the countdown, so media on the countdown.
And number 1 goes to Rising Kiki.
Kiki, do you love me? Are you riding? Say you never ever leave from beside me.
There's a rising star contestant by the name of Kiki, and it seems that she has more life than a cat because she just can't get eliminated. No matter how badly she performs, she just can't get eliminated. She's an adorable girl, you know. A sweet girl, awesome personality. If I did personality alone, I feel like she could have win. But for some reason, with a name like that, the ironic thing is that she just cannot find the key.
What started out as a simple altercation turned into a real sticky situation. Me just thinking on the time now, and it makes me wanna cry. Oh mama, 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 I just shot a man down in Central Station. Son of a big
Oh my. Where is DJ Khaled? Forgive her, the key.
Never thought I'd do it. Never thought I'd do it. Never thought I'd do it. Ram pa pa pam, ram pa pa pam, ram pa pa pam, ram pa pa pam.
I really like the girl, man. I'm really a root fair, but boy, she make it really rough with the last performance there. Till the point them when they judge them, not even can be nice. Them just all alien. When they say alien, kind of be tough, you know, say really bad.
Listen and start on key. Don't keep on with the trainer because that.
But it's like people like to watch a car wreck sometimes, and I guess that's why they keep voting you back into the competition. That was bad for true.
Tell the judge, please give me minimal. Run out of town.
Me honestly feel say a Drake of vote fair. Me feel like a Drake of vote fair in competition, cause boy, me don't know, man. Why? Just if she comes back next week, me just pray that she just fix the whole key situation, because I think that she actually have a good voice if only she just find the key. Well, that's it, people. Thank you so much for watching another duttyberry Top 10 social media countdown. Burritos, ensure that you like, share, subscribe, and comment. Comments below. Let me know what was your favorite part of the social media countdown. If you want to reach out to me, bookings, or you know, to have your video on the social media countdown, just send me an email to duttyberryshow@gmail.com. Okay, take care. Until next time.
Because I know too many.
One in the window. One in the
Are you riding? Say you never ever leave from beside me.
Hey. Love me sign. Love me sign. Do you love me sign?
Kissing in a way, kissing in a way, kissing in a way. I need that black card in the code to the safe,
I don't know. Later.